Yesterday, what happened is in my house, believe me, in the evening time, 5 o'clock or 5:30, like my kid is there, baby girl, 1.5 year. 1.5 year kid means, she don't know how to talk also fluently. She got somewhere fake 200 rupees notes, man. Note in my house. Okay. My elder kids are there. So they got somewhere the fake 200 rupees notes. Maybe this baby girl, 1.5 year baby girl, she got that. Then immediately, Baba, can you please come with me? Like, she's taking my hand and she's pulling somewhere. Okay, like I'm going. What my baby girl did, what my kid did is, there is one box will be there, one steel box will be there. Every day I'm going to save. He opened, he took that fake 200 rupees. She's trying to insert man. Really, I got shocked like anything. Array, 1.5 year old. This is the money. Like how she aware, and then how she aware this thing we require to save there. Like I got shocked like anything. But only one thing I did is every day, whenever I'm saving the money, okay, morning and evening, morning time she won't wake up. But evening time, our regular routine is once I did the bath, I will go for puja. With my baby girl, I will do puja. Okay, agarbatti, like all those things. With my baby girl. And then next immediate activity, saving some 2,500 rupees in that. I asked my baby girl, hey, can you please like then she's going to just insert into that box and she's feeling very happy. And then what is the next step like? I will ask her. Then immediately she's falling on the ground push-ups. Okay, morning and evening some 20-25 push-ups I'm going to take her. Okay, just for fitness. So immediately that is our regular routine. Maybe she identified a fake 200 rupees note, man. Really, I know it is a fake, but I kept in that what a kiddie bank. Really, I felt very happy. So the kids are always going to copy us. Remember that. Okay, don't tell anything to the kids. Just you have to do the things. Automatically, your kids are going to follow. They don't see the mobiles. Don't see the mobiles. There is no use of that. You should not. You should not see the mobile. Automatically, your kids also won't see the mobile. If you open the book, if you start reading, then your kids also open the book and they are going to start reading. Remember, so copying is a very, very easy operation. Really, I got shocked like anything. Okay.